From drones to biotechnology, Turkey's technology parks are helping local companies reach global markets. They've become engines of growth for cities that once relied mainly on agriculture and traditional industries. Omer Bakkaloglu went to visit one in the Black Sea city of Giresun.
Giresun is famous for its hazelnuts. But beyond its orchards, a new crop is taking roots: technology. In a lab at the city's new technopark, scientist Omer Bakkaloglu is working on a unique innovation, developing medicine and bioproducts from animal blood. His company is among a new wave of startups, bringing global-scale ideas to this Black Sea city.
The tissue engineering area has approximately 20 billion US dollar market size, and it is exponentially increasing. So there are lots of opportunities in this area. Particularly, what we are focusing on is the 3D bioprinting bioinks.
It may sound like science fiction, but here it's simply science at work. And Bakkaloglu says Giresun gives him the edge he needs.
Giresun, especially its location, is crucial in terms of proximity to agricultural as well as livestock resources, and that is particularly providing us high-quality animal byproducts.
The technopark itself is barely 2 years old, but in that short time, it's gone from empty desks to nearly full capacity.
In a short time, our region has become home to 27 technology-driven companies with a current occupancy rate of 85%, which we expect to reach full capacity in the near future.
That growth mirrors a national trend. Just over 2 decades ago, Türkiye had only 2 technoparks. Now, with new facilities in Sinop and Amasya, the number has risen to 113, home to around 12,000 tech startups. This may be one of Turkey's newest technology parks, but it's already helping Giresun join the country's growing innovation map. From here, drones, software, and other digital tools are shipped to clients on 5 continents, proof that advanced technology can emerge from any corner of the country. For local scientists like Bakkaloglu, that means an opportunity to compete in billion-dollar global markets. And for Giresun, it's a chance to diversify its economy and position itself as a hub for high-value innovation. Omer Bakkaloglu, TRT World, Giresun, Türkiye.